welcome back to my channel. I am TJ. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, please click the subscriber button down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can become a part of the IAmTeeJaay family. If you are a returning IAmTeeJaay subscriber, thank you so much for sticking in there with me. I love you bunches for sticking in there with me. Switching up things here on my channel. If you haven't noticed, I have been doing a little bit more things that are like of my true heart and character, some things that I really enjoy, which is everything girly here on my channel. But more importantly, I'm trying to get more into some makeup, some hair, just some girly things. But I enjoy being a woman. I hope if you're here on my channel, you enjoy being a woman as well, which has everything to do with hair, makeup, shopping, home decor, and all of that. So I have the wig information right here. It is the Sensational Express Curls and Kinks textured lace front wig, and I got mine in the color 1B, and I ordered it off of ebonyline.com. so that's the info for the wig. I'm going to put the information down in the description box, and I'm also going to show you guys what the stock card looks like. So you guys, I totally I totally suck right now. I was looking for the stock card for this wig, but I can't find it. So I'm going to insert a picture of the wig for you guys right now. It's listed for $28.95, and I got it in about maybe 3-4 days or so. But girl, how many of you guys nails is looking like this? Like, this pandemic has everybody looking like who done it, who done it, and why. This wig, you guys, I found from another YouTuber. She was bragging about the unit, saying how beautiful it was and how natural it was, and just all of these great, wonderful things. So I decided I was gonna go and order this wig. So I did. I ordered the wig, and yes, it is everything that actually these two YouTubers mentioned about this wig. I just decided that I was gonna do something else with the wig. So you wanna see what I did with the wig? Because I just always have to do something. This is what I did with the unit. So it's a straight, natural, kinky wig, right? Unit, as everybody says on YouTube. It's natural texture. It kind of has that natural, yucky, kinky texture to it. And you can pull it up in the back. It's pretty long, you know. I think it comes maybe till about here, and I wore it like that for a few days. It has a part in the middle. I just kind of got bored with it. I wanted to do something else with it, so I decided to ride set it. So I don't know what this is gonna look like, you guys. I have no idea what this is going to turn out to be, but we're gonna find out right here on my channel together. So if you want to see what I did with this wig and girlfriend, how it came out, and if you want to laugh with me, we're gonna laugh together. Okay guys, so we are what? Bald-headed. We are all ready. I got my little ponytail going on back here because I don't know how to braid. So I always put my hair in a ponytail. I part it down the middle, and I put 2 buns back here, and then I tie the 2 buns together. Girl, you know, we gotta make it do what it do. Okay, so here she is. We're going to tighten her up because there are 2 combs in the front, 1 on each side. There's a comb in the back, and then you have these straps. Alright, so you guys remember this does have a part in the middle, and I have wore this already a few times, but I got bored with it just being flat. So looks like Shirley Temple curls. Alright, so we need to touch up this middle part and bring it out a little more. So we're gonna put some look. I'm happy with it. It came out cute. This is what happens when you experiment, you know, and you're kind of like new to hair, but I think it came out really, really cute. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are notified every single time IAmTeeJaay uploads another video to this channel. If you're new, once more, welcome to the IAmTeeJaay family. If you are a returning IAmTeeJaay subscriber, thank you so much for sticking in here with me. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are being safe. I hope your families are safe, and I hope that you are blessed, and I hope that you are well. You know, there's a lot going on in the world right now. Our lives are different. The world is not the same. I hope you guys are praying. I hope you guys are fasting. I hope you are asking God for protection and healing, protection over your family, healing over the world, and you ask everyone around you to do the same. We owe that to each other. We definitely owe our life to Christ because he paid the ultimate price for us. So with all of that being said, one more thing, I did not mention to you guys exactly how I achieved these curls. So let me do that for you now. What the sizes are. Shame on me, right? But I used some orange and some peach. So whatever sizes these are, you guys can use whatever size rods you would like. I used a curling cream first on each piece of the hair. And then I rodded it, and then I took the entire unit and I dipped it in hot boiling water. I left it in the air for just a few minutes, not too long. I took it out. I hung the wig up. I let it dry. It's been air drying for 2 days, and now here we are with the curly Sue kind of vibe going on, with one curl longer than the other. But I'm totally satisfied with how it came out. I'm proud of myself because I'm definitely not good with doing hair, but I did the best that I could. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Any of the information that you need about this unit that I'm wearing is going to be down in the description box. I'm also going to put down there exactly what it is that I did and what the products were that I used. But keep in mind, you can use whatever you want. The wig was $26. Like, if we messed it up, then we just messed it up. So don't forget, give me a thumbs up. I love you, beautiful people, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.